So you learned already how to manage and how to run the 5 Agile ceremonies. So I'll wrap it up with 3 big resolutions for better ceremonies. First, take backlog grooming seriously, so planning is smooth. Second, make daily stand-ups short and meaningful, rather than tedious status checks. And number 3, use retros to truly evolve your process, not just vent. Let's look more detailed on it. If you wait until sprint planning to figure out what each story means, the meeting will drag on and you will be guessing. By grooming your backlog regularly, you ensure the top items are always clear, estimated, and ready to be worked on. Make stand-ups work for you. They should last 15 minutes or less, focusing on what's done and not just worked on. If daily is too much, some teams do them 3 times a week. The key is to keep them short and action-oriented, so that if you are blocked, the team can help quickly. It's a collaboration session. Look back to move forward with retros. Gather real data on how your team is functioning. Talk about the feelings too, and pick 1 or 2 concrete actions in every meeting. Never blame individuals. Fix systems, clarify processes, and build a stronger team culture every sprint. Why these resolutions matter? Properly grooming backlog means shorter and more effective planning sessions. Well-run stand-ups solve blockers faster, and consistent retros ensure you improve sprint by sprint instead of repeating the same mistakes. Some practical tips for the implementation. Try implementing just 1 resolution at a time so you don't overwhelm the team. Give it a couple of sprints, see if it helps, ask for feedback and adapt. Document your experiments in a shared space like Confluence or NASA's team journal, so you can see the progress. So the key takeaways, it's a virtuous cycle. These ceremonies feed into each other. Adapt them on your context because no 2 teams are the same. And remember, Agile is about staying flexible and always learning. So be open to evolving your ceremonies as your team grows. So what are your next steps now? Grab one of the ideas and try it in your very next sprint. Maybe refine your backlog for 30 minutes mid-sprint or shorten your stand-ups to 15 minutes. Then reflect on whether it helped and keep iterating. And for sure, I would love when you give NASA Not Another Stand-Up App a try to improve your Agile ceremonies. So there's more needed that all your Agile plans can work. And this is where we focus now in the next chapters. Now, beyond your direct team, you need a broader organizational alignment. If leadership is stuck on old ways or HR has rigid annual reviews, you might struggle to keep agility alive. A supportive culture is often the secret to success, and we will dive into the next slides on it. Let me start with some final thoughts. I know it's a little bit weird, but leaders should remove roadblocks, trust teams to figure out solutions, and encourage a culture of transparency. That includes everything from budgets for trainings to giving teams autonomy in how they solve problems. Keep this in mind because this is important that your Agile structure will work out.